Hello guys, welcome to Isaac Solutions. In this video we are going to create an WordPress website for free. For that, just go to Google Chrome, open a new tab, and here type www.wordpress.com. Just click enter and it will load you a new tab just like this, and there just click get started. Just click on that, and then it's already has chosen my email address, but I will show you how. Here just type your email address, and your username, and your password. You should type your password. You should remember that password. The next time if you want to log in, you want to click that password, so remember that password and just click continue, or you can even continue with Google. And what would you like to name your site? I would like to name my site as Phones for Pros, and site about technology 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 which technology. Yes, just click on it. What's the primary goal you have for your site? Share ideas, experiences, reviews, etc. And you are creating website level. You click average, medium, and just click continue. Give your site an address, custom address which contains secure words. I will just type a new website address for this. I will select the free. If you have some UFA money, you can even select it. So they will send you some email to confirm your email ID. I'll just log in for that. You just need to log in and look your Gmail. If you come, type your password. Just click next. Now you want to check your Gmail ID. That's it. It's loading. Come on, load fast. Loading Gmail. Look here, WordPress activate. Here just click on that. Just click on that mail. It will load you, and you just click here to confirm your account. I will just click here. I click that, so my Gmail account will be confirmed, so that they can believe me and offer me a free domain and a website. Okay, and now that's done, and then it will load you something like this. So now your website has been created. You should upload a site icon, tagline, a profile picture, personalize your contact page, first blog post, register a custom domain. You can do it afterwards. So that's how the basic is done, and you can even visit your site just like this. Just copy this address and paste it in the new tab. So to check your check whether your website is published or not, and click enter. This is a free WordPress, and you will have not a lot of themes and plugins availability. In the next video I'm going to show you how to get a free domain names. So hang on there. Look here, the website has been created. You can edit whatever you want, you can post how much you want, and you can customize it anywhere, and you can add some custom domain names. In the next video I am going to show you how to add a custom domain name. So hang on there. Thank you guys, have a nice day.